This presentation is by Margaret, Rosa King. Build your own game with Unity 3D software. This presentation will cover the following topics: installing Unity, game environment, first game, navigating the tabs, cubes, crates, prefabs, grenades, and torrents. Unity 3D. Have everyone already installed their software already? Fine. Well, you know that we are currently using the 4.1.5 right now. And your window do not have to look like this, since different one of you have different devices. But I'll go over this anyway. There it is. This is a whole bunch of stuff that you can use. And I'm going to create here go here. I'm going to create a cube. Boom. Now, this cube, you have these handles you can bring up. Zip, 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 and there. That's with this thing over here. Here, this here, I showed you another one. You can go like that. And then you can use the, you go like that. And then you take this. This is the selection. You see that? That's the selection thing. And we can just move it all over the place. Now, I'm going to make a platform out of this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this 20. And that 20. No, that, leave that alone. And that 20. There. Make this a, then we can take this and bring it in. Oh, you know what I did? Look at this. There. Take this and the Alt key. This is on Windows. There. Cube. Make that like about 0.3. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I have a, let me see if I have it. Oh, I gotta make a scene. Click this, create folder, save this and save it as, save as scene. Call this scene 1. Scenes. I'm using Windows, so I'm really into Windows. Put that in there. There. Now, rename the cube. Rename it floor. Now, okay. Now I'm going to put some, I'm going to put a, I'm going to add, let's see something. I'm going to add, use the assets. I need to get a, import a character controller. Oh. Let's see what we have in here. Take this, put that up there. Alrighty. Now I'm going to make a cube. Let me hit. See that button right there? That way we can bring it down and make this like a 2. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll make the floor. What is the floor? The floor is like, wow. I'll make everything 0. And controller. One. One. Okay. Now, I want to go ahead and I'm going to put a light in here. Go over here. Put a directional light. Put that there. It's pretty shiny. So we'll get the intensity down. Or we can bring it up. Or we can bring it at going to highlight it and make it 1. See, we're going to move this around a bit so you can see it. Must get rid of this camera right here because they said it's too much noise. So I'm gonna delete this. Bang. Okay. There it is. Now, I'm going to make a cube. I'm going to call this directional light. Rename light. There. Got to call this player. There. Isn't this fun? Okay. Now, everything is doing okay at the moment. Let me see something. I'm going to tweak this a bit. Well, maybe. See what it is now. Oh well. Now, I'm going to make a an object, cube. I'm going to do this real fast and see how it goes. Use that. I'll move that player down. There, we can see everything now. There. I'm going to rename the cube, rename, crate. There. Look at this. See how it's gone everywhere? Now, what I want to do with this crate is put some gravity on it. So again, we go down here, boom, rigid body. Now play it. Isn't that cool? Welcome to Unity software. Well, this is the welcome window. And I already set up a game area. And this is a hierarchy where it keeps all the objects. And also we have assets folders, which is included in a project, and we have a console to show you when you make mistakes. We have the tools where we can navigate, like move up and down, rotate, and expand. We have the game area, we have the scene area. This is where we are right now. You don't need this, but I would just like to see if you're if you have the same thing on your screen. And here's the game area. This will show us what we have finished here today. So it's everybody's screen a game view looks like this. Yes. Okay, here's the working area. We created a crate, and we had to put some collider in it. We had to put physics in there so it won't be rotating high up. So for instance, if we place this high and we press this button, it fell down. Press the button, it falls down. That's because we use this component right here. We use a component, physics, rigid body. So that's how we did that. We didn't want to press that because look at this. Can't do that. Can't add the same component multiple times. So we are okay. This concludes this section on create. Okay. Is everybody at the same type of screen? Okay. We created a crate, and we put material on it, and we also prefabbed it. This is how you prefab items. You go in here, create, and then you create prefab. You point that there. And that's what we did. We're going to take this and put this here. It's prefabbed already. And we already put the material on there. Let's see how it looks. Maybe it's behind the door. There it is. There it is. So we have a little crate there. So let me see. I'm going to bring this a little bit close. When the door opens, we can look at it. And we will take this player and set that a little bit on there. And the floor, maybe make that like 60. And the 60. Don't want to destroy this. We're going to take this wall there. We're going to make that. We won't bother that yet. We'll bother the next scene. But anyway. Yeah. There's our box. We're going to dress these walls up today. For some reason we can't do that. See there? Does yours look like this? Here. I'm going to go ahead and put another crate up there. Just for kicks. There's a crate there. There's those crates. Okay, so now we created those. We're going to have to dress up these wall things. I'll show you next how to do that. But I'm going to get rid of some get rid of some of these crates. Just delete them. Maybe I'll put a crate. See, it's go over here. Put a crate there. Let's see how this looks. Hello, this is topic 3, and I would like to show you some other techniques. What I did was I added terrain to the game environment, and I also added material to the crates. See these crates? Move them up. I put physics on it, or gravity on them. So I made 2 of them and I duplicate them. See this? Well, it's a little bit too low, but look at this. Without the physics, this would not have happened. So this is very important. What I need also to do is touch up this terrain here by placing as I told you before, I use these tools here to navigate to develop it. So I'm going to put some more terrain properties on this. Here's the brushes, and you just go make them larger. And you can adjust just the height and the brush on this. It's very aggressive. I'm going to put some more terrain material on there. Some people like large mountains, and it's exciting. I can put trees in here, but I don't have that much time to do this. To give a little excitement, in my opinion. Now let's see something. See? Now look at this. And we can go along on the terrain. Go back up. See what's like up there. There it is. So I'm gonna go back here so I can look at the crates. Here's the other one. So I would like to show you that how the game actually works without looking at it as a text point thing. But this is how it goes. There they are. I'm going to put some sky on this. That's the next topic. So see you at the next topic. This is Margaret King. Hi, I'm back to show you how to do the sky box. Now to add the skybox, we have to press the camera again to add the skybox, and we use the rendering thing right here, and we go to skybox to get the effect that you see on the right side. Now, the trees are selected by touching this button right here. And you click that, and that produces a lot of trees. To activate the grass, you click that. And that's how you get this effect. But you do all of this over here. The grass, I had to cut back the grass, had to lower the grass because it was holding up the computer where it's making it real slow. This is how it looked when we put it in video. See how wavy it is? There's the crates. We left the crates there. We adjusted that with the height. See the sky? Finish off the mountains. It brings some excitement to our life. The trees are just populate so fast. This will conclude topic 3. Well, I'm going to, does everybody have this already on their laptop? Or mobile phones? Did you install the torrent? Okay, now we're going to have some fun. We're going to have a little basic game. Going to click this and go in here. Go to prefab. Oh well, it doesn't want to let us buy. But look at this. we're able to throw as many crates as we want to. Do you see how many we clone all these crates with code, with a shoot script? That's how we did this. Look at that. This is funny. Well, we're going to learn how to shoot grenades and put sound on it. This is funny. They reproduce themselves. There's crates everywhere. Okay, I use script to do the shoot script. See? Call it the shoot script. Did you copy this down? So that's how the script goes. We have two variables, very easy. And we just get the button and just fire it. It's a transform forward at a force of 70 pounds. Speed at 3. So remember, when you want to create a folder, you click folder. When you want to create a new script, click JavaScript. We'll be using JavaScript. Comprendi? Okay, now. Okay, now we're gonna. Did you follow the instructions from the assistant? Okay. Loosen up. Now we want to stop using crates to shoot. So we don't have to use any script for the explosion. Here's the explosion that we're using. This is a prefab. And we took this audio and we placed it on here. We also have a file for audio. Well, we had it, but not anymore. We can transfer it. So, you can copy it. That's okay. But this is how it sounds. So, and also, we put a torch on the torrent. So the torrent has more than one part. So you got a fire one there. Look at that. See? And we had to place that, but we didn't. That's what I went and did. And got that there. See there? We put that fire in there. We use a particle substance. And you close it up so it can stay all in one. It's something like the player has more than one. So we're going to have some fun. Okay, look at this. This here sets off to where we can be able to cast off the explosion. Look at this here. We did a respawn script so we can fall off. So if we fall, we can come back. See, like if we go out here and fall off, see, we protected. We can go off the. Look at this. We magically came back. I'm showing you the script for the respawn. Let me see. So that was fun. I guess he doesn't care. Okay. I'm going to show you some scripts that we use here. Since this is only supposed to be 30 minutes and I can't do everything, so this script here, make it so that in case we fall off that platform, we'll come right back. That's the respawn. See? And grenade script. There's a grenade script. And when we're able to go through the door, we use this as a recast. That way we can go through the door at will without running into it. And we have this ammo box. We have it on the other side of the door. That sets it off where we can fire our grenades. See, I can shoot 60 grenades, up to 60 grenades. Did your fire go out? Oh, just click it on the scene part. The scene part, you can get it going. Or when you press the go button on when you want to play the game, that'll set your fire going. It's not going to show all the time. It's timed. It took me a long time to set this fire for you. This is all imaginary stuff. This is not for real. See how it disappears? Just playing with our brains. This is not real. Hi, I'm back. I'm glad you enjoyed your break. Do you understand all the questions that I asked you earlier? Do you understand about cubes and prefabs? I'm going to demonstrate how to apply them in normal game playing. For example, I'm going to turn this on. Those are the two models that I placed in this game. And here's another. This is a prefab here. It is a prefab. Here's a prefab here. I got to hit that in order to get some ammunition. See? I place some code on this in order to make it move every time I move around. See how these turns watch us? Simple code. And I also have audio on this. Taking out on the torrent. There's one in the back over there. That grass. Mountains. Listen, bother with turrets. They just follow us everywhere we go. These buildings are just plain cubes. Look at that. I put more than one turn around here. They're the mountains. See how it moves? Got trees. See if I can scale up a mountain where the tree is. Can't do that. Well, this is right here is the front of it, where I took the player and placed the player right here. So when I opened up the screen, it would show a scene. And I duplicated these torrents to see how they act. And I placed on the player, I added some scripts. And on the torrent body, I created a torrent control. And here, I just did this because it took too long to show you. It's a simple code. See? Do you understand this? Over there? Just simple code. Just use a transform and the torrent looks at us. It's very simple. I didn't have to code the sound on the torrent body. Oh, I put that on explosion, on a prefab. Let's see. This explosion no. I put some script on this. And this is where it is on the inspector window. This was simple. Well, this ought to show you how this show you how to use cubes. That's all we've been dealing with is cubes and models, something simple and simple fabrics, prefabs. Oh, I also put fire in there, just simple fire. It took a long time to do this. I did it today. This is where I pick up things. See how it disappeared? They give me the power. That is so neat. See, the grenade has a sound too. And just play it. This is crazy. But anyway, that's how it goes. That is so cool. And the turret gun has a barrel. Well, anyway, I don't want to bother with this too much. Well, that's how it goes with the using simple prefabs and cubes. This is a prefab here. That's how I got the torch going. You know, you can just so that's what I used. And I just remove it. I don't need it. So that's what's in the barrels of the torch of the turrets. The camera is inside. This is the camera that shows what's going on. You have graphics. Floor. Terrain. This is all the terrain here. You do all these fabulous things. When it's highlighted like that, it means a prefab. So all the turns are prefab. And the trees, I guess they're not prefabs. Let me look at these. Well, here's all the music. I had to go to assets and order it. Come here. Or for help, you go here. There's the welcome screen, and you can go and get video tutors, Unity Basics, and the Asset Store. And like for example, if you want free music, this is how you get your music. Free. And you can download it. You can sign into an account. Oh, I'm already in there. You see explosions. Some of them you get for free, and then some you have to pay. A lot of the professors I know, they enjoy buying this stuff, like Dr. Greg. They love buying this stuff. I'm going to try to get it for free. Yes, that's what. They got movie makers. This is really cool. Well, Dr. Jones, I mean. He buy all this stuff. Have audio. It's a whole bunch of goodies. They got people that's into this stuff. I don't care for it. It's kind of scary. Yee. But anyway. I believe I covered everything. If you want any more information on this, you're welcome to attend any my other forums. It's for free. It's free. I'm going to have to really wrap this up. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to open up the scene and show you the main menu scene that I created. There. Now, this is when we open and close the game. See? There's our turns again. I had to get rid of the fire off of it because that's too close. That's overkill. So I move those turns around. See that? I'm really into turns. I know this is overkill, but this is fun. What's making it move so slow is the prefabs, all these prefabs I have in here. So that's what's making it go bad. See, I put too much terrain in there. And see how everything is duplicating? And after a while, this will stop. After about, you see that? It's going to end. See? Are there any questions? Yes. Thank you. You have been an excellent class. If you have any questions, please let me know right now. There's no charge for this presentation. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. I went over the time limit for this presentation. You have saved me time by having your Unity 3D software already installed on your laptops and mobile devices, and I appreciate that. I want to thank you for spending time on the tutorials that I presented to you and the homework. The objective of this presentation is to introduce you to Unity 3D game software. I have made the example so that anyone may be able to develop a video game instantly. May we go over any of these right now? I have covered information relating to installation of the software, game environment, navigating tabs, cubes, making cubes into game objects, converting game objects into prefabs, and placing particles on the grenades and turrets. If there are any more questions to be answered, I'm going to conclude this presentation. Have a nice day, and I hope you will come to more of my presentations. The end.